Here we are in Sæby in a dwelling complex called Sæby Strand at the beach of Sæby. It is a rather new dwelling complex and fully occupied actually. It has been one of the good construction projects we have had in the municipality. The project has actually won as a number one build project. The Nordic Prize NBO, which goes for the architecture, implementation or integration of sustainable energy within the buildings. And their competitors were Sweden and Finland. There were several projects also from Denmark. More than 50% of the time, they are actually delivering energy outside the complex. They produce both district heat for own consumption and electricity by solar voltage. And we have calculated actually that approximately 50% of the energy produced on district heating and approximately 40% of the electricity produced on solar cells are actually sold out the complex to the regional grid, so others can get use of it. That's why these apartments are so attractive, because they use minimal of energy and they actually also produce energy. That's why the rent is rather low. Every flat is supplied with a monitor telling to the consumer how the energy conditions in every single flat is at the time. If you have forgotten to close your window in the winter time, then your consumption of district heat will increase, and then you will have a sad face on your heat consumption that tells you something is wrong. On the other way, when you are using energy effectively in the flat, then a smiley guy would appear on the monitor telling you that you are doing well. It has a very crucial effect on citizens, They become more conscious towards energy consumption. Legislations for building in Denmark is regulated by law. And now we are talking 2015 regulation, which means that the amount of energy consumed per square meter compared with the beginning of 90s is at 50%. And when we go to 2020 regulation, then you will only use 25% per square meter of energy. So it is going this way. The more efficient the buildings are, the better it sells.